Hey guys! Surely many of you have heard that Russian language is quite difficult but don't know why. My name is Anastasia. I'm a professional Russian language teacher. Let's see if this is really so. Is it true that Russian language is so scary? And if you will be scared even after the video, you can learn Russian with me. I will leave the link below this video. Let's start with the fact that all languages are somewhat complex and somewhat easy. Your native language plays also an important role here. If it is even a bit similar with Russian language, for you it will be already easier to learn it. Write in comments if you already learn Russian and have any problems, or if you wanna start learning it or no, and why. The first difficulty, it is the alphabet. Russian Cyrillic alphabet differs from the Latin alphabet. We have 33 letters in Russian language. Someone told me that it is kind of a lot, but guys, no, it's not a lot. Just imagine how much things you need to learn when you, for example, learn Chinese. All these symbols. I don't know, there are thousands of them, I guess. Usually my students learn alphabet for 2-3 classes, and you also will do it if you will practice for some weeks. I'm sure you will already start reading. So the second reason, it is pronunciation. Yes, in Russian actually we have some sounds that kind of difficult for pronunciation that maybe you don't have in your own native language. The most difficult sound for foreigners, it is the vowel U. And also some consonants like zh, sh, sh, ch, but it also depends on your native language. But actually all these problems can be solved. And even if it is difficult to pronounce it in the beginning, you can be sure that if you will practice more, you will pronounce everything clear. Also, if we speak about pronunciation, non-fixed stress, it's always the problem because you don't know where to use it. I mean, we don't have rules where you will know how to use the stress, where it should be, I don't know, in the beginning of the word or in the end of the word. No. So the only one way is just to read more, to learn words, and after that you will use it automatically. And third reason, it is grammar, of course. And the biggest and the most difficult topics in Russian, it is cases that we start learning from scratch, and then also we continue learning it at other levels. But what I want to say here, we use cases not only in the Russian language. So in Russian language we have 6 cases. But for example, did you know that there is 7 cases in Polish language, 8 cases in Turkish language, also 9 cases in Korean language, 14 cases in Estonic language, and I even found information that in Hungarian language they have 24 cases. Can you imagine that? So Russian language is really more difficult than some European languages, but it is not the most difficult language in the world. For example, in Russian we have just 3 tenses: future, present and past. Now I'm learning Spanish language that seems to be considered not very difficult language, but all these million forms of verbs, all these subjunctives, they just drive me crazy. So the reason number 4, Russian language, it is very rich language, especially in the term of vocabulary. So you will need to understand the difference between verbs of motion, you will need to see the difference between synonyms, but if you will learn it, if you will see the difference, you can show your thoughts more accurately. The reason number 5, many of you told me that Russians aren't so sociable and it's kind of a problem to communicate with them and practice the language. Yes, I can agree with you. Russians aren't super sociable, especially if we speak about communicating in the internet. If you will speak with Russians in real life, you will see that they will be super interested in speaking with you, because many of them just never spoke with foreigners, especially if they don't speak English. So uh, sometimes I think they just feel a bit shy of it, of their knowledges. They think that speak English not very good, and they can be like closed, and they maybe will be shy. But if you will speak Russian with them, they will be very happy, and they will make everything that you felt very comfortable talking with them in Russian. If it is interesting topic for you, I can make a video um, where I will share my opinion, if Russians really so angry, why they don't smile, and everything. So, in this video, I just wanted to show you that yes, we have some difficulties in Russian language, but they can be solved. In fact, no language is difficult until you fell in love with it. Don't forget to follow me if you are interested in learning Russian, in Russian culture. I post different videos about my life here in the far east of Russia. So see you. Bye bye.